Hello everyone, we are going to start with skill oriented practical from chapter number 2 digital marketing, that is first SOP. Okay, what is question? With the help of SEO tool which is freely available, optimize the website and write down the following findings. Ask the teacher or examiner to provide URL of the website to be optimized. So here is a question. First, name of the website you are optimizing. Okay, so teacher or examiner will give you the name of the website. Second question, whether the site has a title tag. Okay, site is having title tag or not. Third, whether the site has header tag. Okay, site is having header tag or not. If yes, which tags are there? Next, fourth, whether the image used has earned attributes. Fifth, what is a comment about the usability? So this question we are going to answer. Okay, so here some concept about SEO. So that is a SEO approaches are first on page SEO, then technical SEO, off page SEO. This will help you to rank your website on the top on the search engine. So here, what is on page SEO? On page SEO will help you to rank your website on the top of the search engine. So what is on page SEO? Here, anything with Angular backend is HTML code. Okay, so all the HTML code come inside the on page SEO, like your title tag, whether your site is having a title tag or not. If it having title tag, so what is the length of the title tag? If it in between the range, the next it is having heading tag or not, which type of heading level is there, how many time it is used. Okay, next meta tag. Meta tag it is showing a proper keyword description or not, keyword density is proper or not. Then your website is having a robot.txt file is or not. Robot.txt file is having some disabled pages, so a website crawler must know, so this pages have to avoid, it will give some error. Example is like 404 error, or construction, your website is under construction or under building, so that time it will help you a robot.txt. So these are your on page SEO that will help you to rank your website high. Next, off page SEO. What is off page SEO? It is not directly help you, but with the help of some media, it will help to rank your website high. Example, your social media connect means your connection with the social media, you have given a link on a social media of your website. Then link building, you are providing a various your links to many users. Then you are creating an article and posting that for your website. Then blog post, there also you are posting the link. And social media bookmarking, you are placing a favicon, that is favorite icon, to connect with your different channel. Your, whether your site is having a YouTube account, if having, how many followers are there, whether your site is having an Instagram account, Facebook account, Twitter account, Pinterest account, which type of account your site is having, so that all the things will help you to rank your website high. So this is your off page SEO. Okay, next, technical SEO. What is technical SEO? It increase the ranking of its pages in the search engine. It will help you to increase the ranking of its pages in the search engine. It is a lightweight image, means whenever your site is having a lightweight image, then it is very easy to load within a second or millisecond, right? So whenever you are dealing with technical things, your side, how many milliseconds your side is going to loading speed of your website, then how it is going to display on your mobile phone or Android phone or tablet or laptop, how it is visible properly or not, that all the things are going to check in the technical SEO. If it is having, it will show you that particular recommendation. Okay, so technical part, how it is going to display, what is the loading speed of your website, how the images are arranged, how it is used, how it will look like in all the devices, all the things come inside the technical SEO. Now here our government book has provided this SEO audit website. Okay, so search engine optimization audit tools are here. So first is seoptimer.com, then SEO sidecheckup.com, third urank.com, then wavi.com, then seomatter.com. So these are your 5 sites. Here you can check your websites. Okay, so here first we are going to see SEO optimer tool. First, for that we require to open browser, right? So here is a browser, type here SEO optimer. Okay, so you will divert to that particular website. Then our side, okay, which side we are going to open? Here we are going to open our college website, so www.vivacollege.org. So enter your website. Okay, so in the optimer tool, this is our optimer tool. Here are you able to see the yellow button? Before that you can see one text box. On that text box type the URL. So our college website URL is www.vivacollege.org. Then click on audit. So it will show you a progress. It is rendering 70%, 72. Okay, when it complete 100%, you are able to see your side over here and the result over here, grade. So here our college website is having a grade D minus. Okay, and here see this on the monitor how your website will look like. So ये ऐसे properly display हो रहा है, right? So now what is our question? Okay, so our question is, okay, so name of the website you are optimizing. So here given the name of website is www.vivacollege.org. Then second, whether the site has title tag. So we are going to check in the tool whether a site has a title tag or not. Before that, see here it will give the grades: on page SEO D minus, link F, usability D plus, performance, and then social D minus. So this will next. Here is a recommendation. After that, recommendation on page SEO result. So here you have a title tag of optimum length. Okay, so range is between 10 to 70. So Viva College's title, so it is optimum, right? So optimal length is 12, so it is showing a tick mark. So so it is our question. Then first, name of the website is www.vivacollege.org. Then second, whether the site has a title tag. Yes, the website has a title tag of optimum length. Okay, and here as answer is Viva College and 12. So next question, whether the site has a header tag. If yes, which are there? So we are going to check whether the site is having a header tag. Here meta tag is there, and red header tag used. So here is the answer. The H1 header tag is an important way of signaling to search engine what your content is about and subsequently the keyword it should rank for. So your page has more than one H1 tag. So our website is having more than H1 tag 1. Okay, more than one time it has used a h1 tag, and remaining h2 h3 h2 15 time, h3 node 0 times, and h4 6, h5 1, and h6 8 times. So this way we have used the this way. So yes, the web page is making good use of header tag. HTML header tag are important way of signaling to search engine the important content topic of the page, and subsequently the keyword it is ranked for. So here is a keyword. So h1 8 time it is used 8 time, h2 13 time, h3 0, h4 6, h5 1, and h6 8 time. Next question, whether image use has alt attribute. So we are going to see image. You have image on your page that are missing alt attribute. We found 7 on your page, 6 of them are missing alt attribute. So write down this way: the web page has images but that are missing alt attributes. So 15 images are found and 14 of them are missing alt attribute, right? So next question, fifth question, what is the comment about usability? Okay, so usability, first we will going to check the usability. Go down, it's a ranking, it's a link, after that usability. So usability is D plus. Your page is okay but could be more usable across the devices. Usability is important to maximize your available audience and minimize user bounce rate. The usability of website could be better. The grade has given the website, and then the web page is okay but could be more usable across the devices. So usability is important to the maximize the available audience and minimize user bounce rate, which can be indirectly affect the search engine ranking. And device rendering, it's this check user visually demonstrate how web page renders on different devices. It is important that web page is optimized for mobile tablets experience, as today and majority of web traffic come from the user. So this way we are going to given all the question answer. Here is see the device rendering of our website. So in mobile and tablet this will look like this. So this is our question answer. So thank you. If you have query you can comment. Hope you understand. Thank you.